Today we have another grapple video, and of course something's wrong, something broken, and if you try it, even heavy big machines, they can break. Okay, let's get started. I will show you what's happening. It's a beautiful day outside, it's getting warm, and we have a broken hydraulic cylinder rod. Look at that. Well, it's hard to even imagine how you can break it, but things can go wrong and you can break the hard stuff. This is a hardened stainless steel rod coated with a chrome. Look at that. It twisted, bent, and it cracked and broke, and it had a split. Alright, we have to fix it, take that cylinder off, and get back to functional state. Okay, I'm going to disconnect hydraulic lines. I already relieved the pressure, make sure we're not leaking much oil. Let's undo those two lines. And yeah, guys, if first time to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, and share. Yeah, I have more interesting videos down in the heavy equipment bay playlist. Please check them out as well. Okay, time to take those two pins and get the cylinder out. Okay, bottom one is coming, upper one is out, and yeah, and check it out. Voila, I got cylinder, the same cylinder with a new rod. We replace it, and now everything's greased. We have new shims. Now we'll just get everything's back, and yeah, a little bit more work involved. And on another side we have that old one, but that one doesn't leak and it works great. Guys, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel, and I have a merch in the store, check it under the video as well. And yeah, well, have a beautiful day. As you can see, weather is awesome. Okay, take care and bye bye.